you did it. Congratulations on completing your whole first full week of learning on online. I know it is so different and feels so strange, but it is awesome and you did great. And it looks like you got through a lot of it. So today you have made it. And it may have been tough, but you worked hard and congratulations. You practiced that decodable reading fluency. I cannot wait to listen to hear you read. We finished up that ing. We've got more consonant magic E coming next week. You learned how to take our weekly tests through Savvas. You played that game Kahoot with our amazing words. You turned in your handwriting test so I can see all that great handwriting practice you've been doing. And you continue to use some addition strategies by using the number line to help you count on and back. Next week, it will still look pretty similar. You'll have that phonemic awareness seal that we're going to be working on. You'll still have a new story of the week, new amazing words. You'll have new comprehension skills. So all of that will look a little bit different, but kind of that same pattern. Okay? In math, we're going to continue working on those addition strategies. Keep up the great work. Don't forget, Monday is a holiday, so you do not have school on Monday. So see you guys on Tuesday.